Hello, I think I'm looking at Nicola, yeah, and Victoria. All right, so this is how sketches are supposed to look, almost. You got some ripped or wet edge there, but otherwise you have the right idea, and you also seem to have a pretty good understanding of what infographics are. You probably will have more information than what you have right now, but you have the general idea correct. I like this just do it one. I like a clean sort of column look personally. I think it's easy to take in. I also like those sheets of information graphics that just have tons of stuff. Like you can sit down and it's kind of a journey. So I would just recommend that you go through some infographics and, look at your original documentation where you wrote the synopsis of Nike and think about what you can turn into like a story, a visual story. Okay, Victoria, let me look at yours. Okay, I don't know why the sketches are sort of peach in color. I don't know if your scanner is broken or this is what you want to do. Professional level sketches are always white and they're either grayscale or they're black and white. So just take it into Photoshop in the future and adjust the brightness contrast or throw away the color profile and just pick grayscale. All right, that said, I like your layouts. These don't look like information graphics. It's a good start. I would do two things. I like this one with the dripping sign. I would do two things. Look up information graphics. This is an information graphic. Think about the content that you might want to put on this page. You did a few paragraphs about Nike. How can you break that down? Imagine that this is for a corporate report, which as a designer is something you'd be lucky to get a job like that. It will be a super easy thing for you to do in your career. Plus, it's a creative task. It's a good job to get. So if you're doing a corporate report, you can be creative, but you're also presenting information and sort of telling a story. So this would be like a story in facts and figures about Nike's success. So think about that as you develop this further. I think you have the right idea, but I think that's interesting. But just think a little bit more about the information. Ooh, that's weird. Didn't expect the eye. Let me know if you have any questions.